gonna have an insane pull here, guys.
Just focus on the gauntlet still, guys.
Do it again.
2, 1.
Don't be greedy.
Mana is not an issue for this. I mean, it's nice because we're right side, but it's like I don't gotta even use a mana pot. I should though, still, anyways.
Dance.
Watch the walls.
Innervate Bub, Vital, please.
Crush.
Crush.
It didn't go through, do it again.
Watch the walls, alternate.
Dance.
Alternating. Crush.
I didn't think it actually lasts that long.
Bait.
Bait lasers.
Bait first.
Left
set
side.
of lasers.
Gotta be playing better.
Okay, DPS.
Crush. Bait second set of lasers now.
Crush.
Bet.
I'm dropping this on you, Totem.
Dance.
I'm porting over with orb. Porting with orb.
Crush.
I can't move.
Crush.
Left side, drop your charges close to the gate.
Bait first lasers.
If you have a charge in Toxin Room, defensives. Crush.
Crush.
Get on, girl.
Dance.
Buff OMG. Crush. Bait lasers.
Spell suck. This one.
Crush. Dispel Roth. Okay.
Second set of lasers. Dance.
Watch out, Cleve.
Third set of lasers in melee range.
Crush.
Crush.
Swirls.
Watch the walls.
Get over here, dude. Fuck. Hey, hello, innervate Npd.
Crush.
I'm going front left here with this charge.
Dance.
Left side, you're being swapped into flames.
Crush.
Vital, Innervate Bub.
Grab your gem.
Slow down on this room. We can get a res off on Roth if we take this room slow enough on Manzi's side.
Just both sides gotta slow down then.
Crush.
Alright, yeah. Everyone
Slow
slow down.
DPS for a sec. We need 20 seconds here. Just don't attack here. Yeah,
Relish.
Hello.
Dance. Dance.
Should be fine. Should just
Right, you guys can definitely damage it.
Yep, start damaging and res Roth.
Crush. Crush.
You guys can.
Choters.
Res him now.
Okay, he's up. Buff him up. Get your gems.
They have stacks over there, so we can start stacking DPS.
Yeah, annihilate this timer.
Got it.
I'm here too, dude.
Rush. Behind boss. Nice job.
Crush facing the door.
Be behind boss. Type behind boss. Dance.
Still like a mill behind over here on left.
Do not move if you're coming to the right.
Crush.
Crush. Stay behind boss. Stay behind boss. Do not move. Nice bait on that shoulders.
We're still even. Keep going.
We have stacks.
Dance. Stay behind boss. Type behind boss.
Crush.
Come on, man.
I'm swapping to the right with a pool.
We're falling behind a little bit over here.
I'll let the stacks fall.
You just gotta watch.
Slow down. Slow down.
Just
If you're, yeah, slow down.
Relish, Seraphis, Snug,
behind
Needle,
boss.
Longer, Murphy,
Dance.
Stun.
Yeah, stop. No stacks on ball.
Left. Stop DPSing.
Crush.
Crush.
Okay, go for it.
Yeah, bolt kill.
Really, Blizzard.
What, EDC?
That ported me into
I can
an
tank
orb.
first, man. Do you have a fresh, No,
That's
you
fine.
tank
I
first.
can't take.
Tank first.
As soon as liquid gold goes out, I'm drinking.
So guys, we have no reses and one way down. We need to be clean about the liquid golds, okay? Like, get the fuck out to the edge of the...
Raid on triangle. I mean,
Crit coming
diamond.
in. Crit coming in.
Liquid gold now. Get to the edge of the room. Touch the edge
Shoulder
of the room.
snug.
As far as you can.
Point shower relish is bubble in.
Really good.
Khalid is drinking here.
MPDR still out.
Crit coming out.
There's one person left inside. Yep.
Spirits of gold.
I taunted.
Kill ads.
I'll stun out of this one.
Publius Harso out.
Come on.
Hard gun MPD out.
Surging. Be careful.
I will bubble this.
Yep.
Spirits down now quickly for the hit.
I actually don't have bubble, so I gotta bob it.
Whale.
Well agreed.
Okay, we've got crit coming in about 5 seconds.
Lagging.
Wait, don't use it yet. Don't come in Arso, like stack up to so you don't
I
trigger.
have,
Okay, just come in then.
I have
Rashawn is,
liquid gold.
Rashawn is 15 if you want to wait for...
Going in now.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Arso has to come in.
Taunting.
I have liquid gold again, so I'm
Spirits of gold, lust.
just gonna. I have to just block in the corner here to drop this gold.
Hard gun smear out.
Get to the edge, guys.
Coin shower on Rop, Netherwalk.
I cannot. Is there a bubble?
I
got you. I got you.
Okay.
Taunting.
Seraphis snug out.
We have a resin 20.
Mark Tyken out.
Surge.
Surging gold, watch out for pulls.
Whale
Will
stack
agreed
up.
to. Use
In
defenses
the
on
link if you can. Good play, Murph.
Oh yeah, boys.
MP, we gotta get out after this surge.
shoulders. Just die.
Should we just have
Hello,
Reeves
hard
do
gun
this
out.
one now?
You guys have a battle res?
Get up.
Get Seraphis. Get
Yeah.
Seraphis.
Ads.
Spirits now. Everything on these ads.
Blow up these ads.
Stunning.
Actually, we should go boss, Totem. We should go boss.
10%.
100% all boss. All
10%.
boss.
Boss, boss.
All boss. Second
MPD
pass.
Seraphis out.
Surging gold. Get safe.
I cannot. I'm gonna. I can block. I can block.
Stay alive,
Burn it,
guys.
boys. Burn it,
Health
boys.
pots, health potions, everything.
Good job, guys.
GG, folks.
Yeah!
Oh,
Let's get it!
Come
Oh
on, boys and girls.
Sacrifice. Actually,
PogChamp breath.
MPD. MPD.
Can we get a res, please?
No,
MPD.
I'm rezzing.
MPD. The fact that you can't trade that.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god.